students, in this session I am going to discuss solutions of these problems. Here a steel ball is dropped onto a smooth horizontal plane from certain height h. Assuming coefficient of restitution of impact as E, we are finding the total distance travelled by the ball before coming to rest. Assume that distance is equals to d, that is equals to h plus 2h1 plus 2h2 plus 2h3 plus and so on plus 2hn, that is equals to h plus 2 into e square h plus 2 e power 4h plus 2 e power 6h plus and so on, that is equals to h. We are taking common 1 plus 2 e square plus 2 e power 4 plus 2 e power 6 plus so on, that is equals to h of, again we are taking 1 plus e square common, 1 plus e square plus e power 4 plus e power 6 plus e power 8 and so on. After taking common h, 1 plus 2 e square of 1 by 1 minus e square, that is equals to h of 1 minus e square plus 2 e square by 1 minus e square, that is equals to h of 1 plus e square by 1 minus e square. This is total distance travelled by the body before coming to rest. So, what is the total distance travelled by the ball before coming to rest? First option is correct. 1 plus e square by 1 minus e square into h. In this problem, we are finding time taken by the ball before coming to rest. Time taken by the ball before coming to rest, t is equals to t1 plus 2t1 plus 2t2 plus 2t3 plus and so on plus 2tn, that is equals to, formula for t is 2h by g plus 2 of root of 2h1 by g plus root of 2h2 by g plus and so on. Next, root of 2h by g plus 2 root 2 into, what is h1 formula, e square by h by g plus 2 root of 2 into e power 4 into h by g plus and so on, that is equals to, taking 2h by g common, the remaining equation is 1 plus 2e plus 2e square plus 2e cube plus 2e power 4 plus and so on. Next is equals to square root of 2h by g of 1 plus 2e plus 2e square plus 2e cube plus 2e power 4 plus and so on. That is equals to square root of 2h by g of, taking 1 plus 2e as common, 1 plus e square plus e cube plus e power 4 plus and so on. So time taken is equals to 2h by g of 1 plus 2e of 1 minus 1 by 1 minus e. One divided by 1 minus e. That is equals to square root of 2h by g by 1 minus e plus 2e by 1 minus e. That is equals to t is equals to square root of 2h by g of 1 plus e by 1 minus e. This is the time taken by the body to comes to the rest. So in this question, which one is correct? This one is correct. So time taken by the ball before coming to rest is 1 plus e by 1 minus e root of 2h by g. In this question, we are finding the average speed of the ball till it stops. Average speed is equals to total distance by total time taken. Total distance is h of 1 plus e square by 1 minus e square by total time, square root of 2h by g of 1 plus e by 1 minus e. That is equals to h of 1 plus e square by, it is in the form of a square minus b square. Write it as a plus b into a minus b of by square root of 2h by g of 1 plus e by 1 minus e. 1 minus e cancel. So average speed is equals to h of 1 plus e square by 1 plus e of by square root of 2h by g of 1 plus e. This 1 plus e, this 1 plus e, 1 plus e whole square. So average speed is equals to square root of gh by 2 of 1 plus e square by 1 plus e whole square. 1 plus e whole square. This is the average speed of the ball till it stops. So in this, which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. In this question, a ball of mass m hits a floor with a speed u, making an angle of incidence alpha with the normal. The coefficient of restitution is e. Then we had to calculate speed of the reflected ball and angle of reflection. Here first along horizontal direction, here we are writing P is constant. Along horizontal direction, P is equals to constant. P means linear momentum. So mu sine alpha is equals to mv sine phi. Cancel. U sine alpha is equals to v sine phi. This is equation number 1. Along vertical direction, along vertical direction, coefficient of restitution E is equals to velocity of separation by velocity of approach, v1 minus v2 by u1 minus u2. So that is E is equals to, here we are taking v2 minus v1 by u1, that is equals to minus u cos alpha by minus u cos phi. Minus cancel. So taking cross multiplication, E u cos theta, E u cos alpha is equals to u cos phi. This is equation number 2. By adding 1 and 2, we are writing equation 1 and equation 2. In this given problem, a ball is projected from a given point with the velocity u at some angle with the horizontal, and after hitting a vertical wall returns to the same point, where E is the coefficient of restitution. Now we have to find out the distance. Here total distance is T1 plus T2 is equals to capital T. Time of ascent plus time of ascent is equals to time of flight. Time of ascent T1 is x by u cos alpha. T2 is x by eu cos alpha is equals to time of flight tu sin alpha by g. Here taking x by u cos alpha common, 1 plus 1 by e is equals to 2u sin alpha by g. X is equals to 2u sin alpha by g into, here taking LCM, 1 plus 1 by e comes e plus 1 by e. Reverse e by e plus 1 into u cos alpha. Here u into u is square, so eu square 2 sin alpha into cos alpha by g of E plus 1, that is equals to 2 sin alpha cos alpha sin 2 alpha. So EU square sin 2 alpha by G of E plus 1. Here 2 alpha is equals to 90 degrees, then sin 90 is equals to 1. So x is equals to EU square by G of E plus 1. This is x maxima. So x is less than x maxima. Maximum x is EU square by G into E plus 1. So in this which option is correct? First option is correct. Okay. This is x maxima. So in this which option is correct? First option. So distance of the point from the wall must be less than EU square by 1 plus E into G.